So yeah, pricing is the hardest thing. I've never had an easy journey with finding price. We thought a free product would be best because it just helped as many people as possible. There's no financial barrier to get into it. But actually what that means is, as a business or a customer, you don't really care about it. Free, you might use it once and never come back because you're not paying for it. So actually there was a bit of a research piece with some of the bigger customers that we were looking to, how much would you pay? And some customers would say like, we're paying £3,000 a month for our listing, or paying £300. So we're trying to find something in the middle. And actually what you find is once you get into bigger customers, obviously the contracts are bigger, the saving percentage still remains the same, but on a cash basis, it's more significant. So 20% of £500,000 a year is quite a decent saving.